So I made it to New York. I'm on my phone right now, but we'll switch to better quality. And I found my twin. Her name's also Amanda, so that will be super easy. And I'll be sure to link her Instagram and my other friend, Hong Kim, when she gets here, down below. And we have actually the same coat. Black and pink, of course. And our luggage, is excessive. Check in. We were unfortunately not able to get our room yet at the plaza, which is a little roadblock because we have a photo shoot at Central Park. So we're getting ready in the bathroom, and I just made myself comfortable at the bar to touch up my makeup. I actually wore what I'm shooting first on the plane just to make it easy. Oh, it's the shadow. I was like, what's on my lip? So sorry, I'm still on my phone. Haven't been able to get into my luggage yet. So I have this huge makeup bag. I actually did my makeup on the plane in the dark just to like save time once we got here, and I'm so thankful I did that because I would have had to do it in the Uber and I would have got car sick. And then this is the mirror that I showed you guys at Nordstrom in one of my last Vlogmas videos. I am going to post up and get ready here. Yes. So we are currently in Central Park. We made it. We had to change in the bathroom because our room's not ready. And we have our suitcases for our outfit change. Just casual walk through Central Park. What?
Where does she think we're meeting?
Oh my gosh, there's ice on there.
Oh yeah, text. What? I'm gonna text her right now.
It looks so dreamy though.
Not.
We did not pay for this, I don't think.
I really am.
I don't think so.
I'm gonna charge on my card.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, before we unpack, oh my goodness.
I'm really in shock right now.
Yeah, I thought we just had like
I
this.
asked her for the steamer and for the No.
We did not pay for this.
Shower.
Oh my goodness.
Please, I'll take it.
Well, I know, we're running out the door for dinner. We had 15 minutes to get ready. I have on this dress from Red Dress, Gucci belt, warm fleece tights over the knee boots, and they're looking super cute. You can follow them to see what they're wearing. And we have this beautiful garment rack and huge steamer now. We have the Glam Squad showing up to fix a major nail repair.
It'll be all good.
Always coming in clutch. And we have to majorly organize this room. We haven't even been in here 24 hours yet.
Oh my God.
We've taken over. Yeah. So someone, the other Amanda accidentally messed our air up in the room. And yeah, luckily we have pocket doors from the bedroom, so we had no idea. But
oh God.
when we walked into this room this morning, it is 90 degrees in here. Like so hot. It's actually better now than it was. Yeah. It's like hot yoga in here.
I didn't know a room could get. I should definitely stretch in here.
Yes. So we're trying to get that down and have coffee, and I'm editing a video. So we just had lunch at Monterey with the girls and Kristen from Kindred Thoughts, and we're gonna head over to the store and see all the new goodies.
It's also raining.
And it's raining, so. Oh my gosh, how cute.
Oh, this is so nice. downpouring, so.
Yes.
Oh, the heart.
This is on my wish list. So we're at our next brand meeting with Artiste. They're gonna show us these makeup brushes, which I'm super excited to learn more about. I know you use them and love them.
Yes, and so does Johnny.
Oh yes, Johnny does with his skincare. So it's been a little while since I've updated you guys. We ran over to Chanel to get a wallet, and then we're gonna head out to dinner. We don't know where yet, but yeah, it's super rainy. I Scotch guarded my booties. Highly recommend. I'll link it down below. So we grabbed dinner down at the food court underneath the plaza, and we needed some water, so I called down to room service. And yesterday we got these little mini plastic bottled waters, and I was like, oh, we can get some and stock it in our fridge. So I ordered 8 bottled waters. They came back with 8 huge glasses of ice water, and then he was like, oh, you need to sign right here. Opened up the bill. It was $156 in water. And he had to tell me 3 times to sign the paper because I was just like, didn't know what to do. So we actually called down and we were like, I think there's a misunderstanding, and they ended up taking it back because we're not gonna pay that much money for water. Okay, we're running. Okay, we're running out the door. We have to get to Top of the Rock in 15 minutes for our photo shoot. We're doing a New Year's Eve look, and it's so cold. We're all wearing our winter boots to get there. It's kind of cute though.
Hold on. Are the new boots coming?
Oh, you're wearing those?
Yeah. I'm just looking to pack another pair of shoes.
Yeah, you're smart. We did good though, right?
This could be a look.
Oh, it could. And then we have our bag packed for our second look. I did not drink my coffee. We're looking very casual in the elevator this morning.
For the record. Get this one thing clear.
We are at Top of the Rock. We shot 2 outfits up here.
Yeah.
It has a beautiful view of New York, and we actually just saw a proposal, so that was super sweet. And we could not have asked for better weather. You probably can't hear me because it's windy. I'm just thankful it was supposed to rain. It was supposed to be nasty and cold, and it's perfect. So we just hopped out of our Uber because I saw Barney's window and I was like, wait, what is this sale happening? When you see yellow floor to ceiling signs, you gotta get out of the Uber and check it out. We have matching hats, by the way.
And then I'm randomly holding my sleeve.
So I'm currently the boyfriend at the store, sitting while the girls try on shoes.
No, I'm done. I've made an executive decision to not buy it.
Yes. Only because if this wasn't here, I would probably buy the shoe in a heartbeat, but I'm not a fan of this part, personally. So if it was like all this, I would buy it. Smile for the pizza.
Lonnie's just on the peppers.
We are about to do afternoon tea at the plaza. It's beautiful. We are so hungry. I'm gonna eat so many little cucumber sandwiches and cannot wait. I'm wearing this little tulle skirt again. And then we're heading to our second hotel in a new area, and I'm excited to explore a new part of town.
Taking the girls out for eating food. So this is Amnu, Badia, Raiku, and
Explain that in English.
so spring rolls, you would say this is like fried imperial rolls. This,
Summer roll.
it's like a summer roll, it has a special leaf in it.
Pick them up.
And then these are like pork rolls.
Vietnamese pork sausage.
Yeah, in a rice paper.
Very exciting. Happy Thursday. We made it to Central Park. We're gonna go ice skating. This girl, she's in her happy place. It's really cold.
It's very cold.
Is it like in the 20s?
I think it's 32
It's right at 30.
30?
or 30.
We came prepared though. Have on a Kiki beanie.
Hot warmers.
Yeah,
Feet warmers.
we bought hot warmers and feet warmers I bought them from Amazon, and so I have them in between my leggings, and I put fleece leggings in between. Oh my gosh, there's ice, okay. And I feel great. So if you're going somewhere cold, highly recommend the feet warmers. I feel like the feet warmers,
Yeah, the feet warmers are money.
yes, because that's where you lose most of your heat. Oh, wow. Like we didn't really get to enjoy Central Park. Like we just in out.
Yeah, we were in and out for a photo.
Yeah, in that
dog
movie.
is in an Adidas jumpsuit. Oh my gosh. There's a dog in an Adidas jumpsuit. Only in Central Park.
So what ice are we going to?
We're going to Woolman Rink in Central Park, only up during the holidays, and it's actually a really odd shape, actually. I think it looks like this. It's like a weird oblong triangle. It's not a normal ice rink shape, but it is probably one of the biggest rinks in New York City that's outdoors, so.
And people just like stay on the outside and go in a circle?
Just go in loops.
I really appreciate runners.
Runners are brave. I couldn't even run.
Check in with y'all when we get there. Bouvette.
I don't know if that's the right way to say it.
Bouvette. Bouvette.
Bouvette.
We ate at Bouvette. I can't pronounce anything correctly, so I was gonna try.
That.
And we are in the Soho area. It is so cold still. Our hot hands are
Doing really well though.
Lifesaver.
Yeah. And we're gonna go do some shopping finally. I feel like it's, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me actually. Who knows?
I thought that was going on. Let me get lines after this, but I was going to do this really quick.
Oh, you have your clothes on. I was gonna say, I didn't tell the vlog that you got engaged.
I thought you were making up this vlog legitimately just because you need to record.
No.